A lot of comments have asked me what the high CPM niches are. And CPM means cost per mille. That means the amounts that advertisers pay YouTube per 1,000 views on your channel. And I've seen a couple of comments ask me, what are the high paying niches? What niche will pay me high? Right? I know, because everyone wants to maximize their time here on YouTube. I mean, if you are going to create videos, you might as well create the one that will earn the most, right? Anyway, so today I'm going to tell you the top 10 niches on YouTube. The first one will be finance and investing. This niche has between $20 to $50 CPM, and I think it's about the highest. So if you understand finance, if you understand investing, this is the niche that you need to go into. Just make sure that you're giving the correct information, right? So if you're that insurance, that investment guru, you're good at investing, you know how to invest and the right places to invest, you know about finance, or maybe you are even an accountant, YouTube has a place for you, okay? And this is one of the highest paid niches. The next one will be real estate. A lot of people don't know this, but real estate is not only a high income business, it is also a high CPM niche on YouTube. So if you're into real estate, you're also a real estate agent. Why are you not on YouTube? Because you can also be making extra income on YouTube by just showing us your real estate. All you have to do is teach people about buying homes, teach people about how to invest in properties, teach people how to flip properties and all of that. And the CPM for this niche is also between $25 to $50. And the next one will be digital marketing and e-commerce. Digital marketing and e-commerce are booming industries on YouTube now, and their CPM is between $15 and $40 per meal. Now, this niche is perfect if you are experienced in the world of online sales and marketing. So you're good at marketing, you know how to do digital sales, you know how to do online sales, you're a guru in it. This niche is for you, okay? And the next one is insurance. Now, insurance companies pay huge premiums. Pun intended. Now, videos about car insurance, life insurance, and insurance generally have a CPM of between $30 to $70. So if you're in the insurance niche, if you know about insurance, if your business is about insurance, YouTube, you need to be on YouTube teaching people about insurance, teaching people about the questions they need to ask their insurance companies, teaching people how to get the correct insurance, teaching people all about insurance. You need to get on YouTube now. The next one will be technology and gadgets. For people that love technology and gadgets, you love phones, you love laptops, you love to review cameras, you love to review gimbals. This is also a high CPM niche, and the CPM is between $15 to $40. So with new technology constantly being released all the time, this is a niche that is very lucrative for you to branch into. And the sixth one will be the make money online niche. The make money online niche has a high CPM of between $20 to $50. Now, if you know how to make money online, and if you're good at teaching people how to make money online, this niche is for you. Advertisers in this niche are keen on targeting people that want to build online businesses, and they pay good for their adverts. So if you're good with online marketing, you're good with online sales and all of that, this is the one niche that you need to branch into. The next one will be credit card and loans. A lot of people know how this credit card thing works. They know how this loan works, but they're not on YouTube. Now, if you're good with credit card, because a lot of people struggle with credit cards, a lot of people struggle with loans. But if you know about it and you have found a way around credit cards and loans, you need to be on YouTube. This niche has a high CPM of between $30 to $70. Because lenders and financial institutions are always willing to pay heavily for their ads. So if you are experienced with credit cards, you know the nitty-gritty of credit cards and loans, this is the niche for you. The next one will be business and entrepreneurship. So focusing on how to start business, leadership, how to grow your businesses, strategies for your business and all of that is an amazing niche. And this niche has a CPM of between $15 to $40, which is amazing. If you're passionate about helping others grow their business, if you're passionate about starting businesses, if you're passionate about business strategies, developing businesses and all of that, this is an amazing niche for you. And the next one will be software reviews and tutorials. A lot of people are reviewing softwares, tutorials on those softwares like Notion, softwares like Monday, all those software reviews. So this niche has a CPM of between $20 to $50. So if you're good with learning softwares and you're good with teaching people how to use the softwares, this is the niche for you. And the final one will be health and fitness. I don't know about you, but I'm actively trying to lose weight. Everybody is actively trying to lose weight. We're actively trying to get healthy. The CPM for this niche is between $50 to $30. Videos about workout routines, nutrition advice, and all of that, or even wellness tips attract advertisers. So if you're good, maybe you have lost weight and you want to teach people how to lose weight too, this is the niche for you. So if you're good at exercise, your workout routine, all of those things, this is the niche for you. Okay, if you really want to increase your CPM, try combining like two of these niches together. Maybe you're combining finance with other ones like credit card and loans. Imagine combining finance, which is a high CPM niche, and then combining finance and loan, and they all go together in one niche. That will increase your CPM. Also, channels about entrepreneurship and digital marketing can also fuse together so that you can get a higher CPM. Just make sure that you're able to provide value. You're able to consistently create content for your channel. Anyway, guys, these are 10 niches that you should target when you're starting your channel or if you're looking to pivot in your YouTube journey. Anyway, I hope you found this video helpful. If you have, kindly hit that subscribe button, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one.